Some of the greatest quant traders in the world often go dark, as they generally get lured in by a family office or large institution to work for them privately. The only time you ever see them is when they go to Starbucks around the corner to grab a coffee. This is the team of some of the smartest quants coming together.
My name is Shamik Raja, and I'm the lead engineer for Whitebeard. My background's in computer electrical engineering from the University of British Columbia in Canada. My journey as a quant began 20 years ago when I was in my third year of university coding voice recognition software. And at that time, the Forex markets were gaining popularity. I couldn't help but notice that a sound in an oscilloscope looked very much like a noisy analog waveform and very similar to the randomness that we see in the FX markets. It was from that point onwards, for the next 20 years, my research began in applying principles of voice recognition mathematics to the FX markets.
So how does Whitebeard beat the market spread?
Now, taking this system and applying it over 28 pairs and applying it over 20 years with the neural net that is at most 2 weeks in length means that our backtest has such a strong statistical significance, because you have a pawn which has a filter with no optimizable inputs. It's applied to all the asset classes. You have a neural net that is relearning every hour and forgetting. And if you take that neural net as it traverses through time over 20 years, it has now seen 520 out-of-sample data sets, which means that neural net or that brain has never seen that 2 weeks of data ever before. And it is giving a 52, 53, 54% edge over the last 20 years across 28 pairs. I've applied it to Bitcoin, I've applied it to Microsoft, I've applied it to gold. And it's at this point where a quant team like ours says, well, maybe we have something. We might have a chance.